Stand up. Good morning, children.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, I am glad to see you.
Sit down. What season is it now? It is autumn. Good. Next. Who wants to tell me the days of the week?
October.
Days of the week, days of the week. Week. After.
Friday.
Today is Friday. Very good. Tell me the days of the week. Tell me this.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday.
Saturday and Sunday. Very good. Thank you. Please tell me, what is the weather like today? What is the weather like today?
Today is cold,
Windy. Cold today.
Today is cloudy.
Today is cloudy. Very good. What day of the what day is today?
Today is 14th of October, Friday.
Thank you. And now look at the blackboard. What can you see on the blackboard? What can you see? What can you see on the blackboard? You got things up there. Flags. Different kinds of flags. It's flags of different countries. And how do you think? Why there are different kinds of flags? Canada. You know this flag? Very good. I want to, can you tell me the today's theme? Can you tell me the theme, today's theme?
Yes.
How do you think? Please raise your hands. Please.
Flags of the world.
Flags of the world. Today is our new theme, flags of the world. And today we will read about these flags, and we will do exercises according to these texts, and we will listen to the audio and do exercises. And today we will read and write. Can you see this poem? I will read. First I read and then you repeat after me. Okay? My flag is blue.
My flag is blue.
My flag is bright.
My flag is bright.
I like it very much.
I like it very much.
The yellow sun,
The yellow sun,
the blue sky,
the blue sky,
and the eagle is flying high.
is flying high.
Okay, let's once more. My flag is blue, my flag is bright.
My flag is blue, my flag is bright.
I like it very much.
I like it very much.
The yellow sun,
The yellow sun,
the blue sky,
the blue sky,
and the eagle is flying high.
and the eagle is flying high.
Okay, who wants to read this poem? You listen, Daria?
My flag is blue, my flag is bright. I like it very much. The yellow sun, the blue sky, and the eagle is flying high.
Flying high. Okay, good. Open your books, page 29. Open your books, please, page 29. There you can see texts, short texts about these flags. And I want to divide these texts, divided from about Kazakhstan, about flags of Kazakhstan. You please read this text. And about the flag of United Kingdom, you please read. And you please read about Wales. At first, we will listen this text, and then you should read. Understand?
Every country has got a flag. Here are some flags of the world with some interesting designs. A. This is the flag of Kazakhstan. In the center of the flag, there is a golden sun with 32 beams and a golden steppe eagle underneath. It also has got a golden ornamental pattern down one side. It has got a sky blue background. B. The Union Jack is the flag of the United Kingdom. It is the flags of 3 patron saints: the Red Cross of St. George of England, the White Cross on a blue background for St. Andrew of Scotland, and the Red Cross of St. Patrick of Ireland. C. The flag of Wales has a red dragon on it. The background is green and white. You can see this flag on government buildings in Wales.
Okay, let's task. You should read these texts, and next we will do the exercises. Who wants to read? First, the flag of Kazakhstan. Who wants? You please?
Where is the sun of
No, you should read. Read this text. At first you should read, then we will do the tasks. You please, Tamiris.
This is the flag of Kazakhstan. In the center of the flag there is a golden sun with 32 beams and a golden steppe eagle underneath.
Next, please, Ali.
Red also has got a golden
Ornamental pattern. Next, Dijan.
It has got a sky blue background.
Okay, thank you, very good. Next, you please, and you will read the flag about United Kingdom. Okay, read.
The Union Jack is the flag of the United Kingdom. Is the flag of 3 patron saints: the Red Cross of Saint George of England, the White Cross on a blue background for Saint Andrew for Scotland, and the Red Cross of Saint Patrick of Ireland.
Okay, thank you. Next, you please, Martina.
The flag of Wales has a red dragon on it. The background is red and white. We can see this flag of government buildings and walls.
Thank you. And please look at the blackboard. This flag of Kazakhstan, our national flag, and this flag of United Kingdom and Wales. Next task. Which flag has got a dragon? Which flag has got a dragon? Please raise your hands. Which flag has got a dragon? Do you understand?
This is flag of Wales.
Huh? Stand up, please.
This is flag of Wales.
Very good. Next question. Which flag has got a golden sun? Please, Daria. country it is?
The United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Very good. I'll give you 2 minutes. You should read these texts. Yes? You read about Kazakhstan's flag and you will read the United Kingdom and Wales. You should read and try to tell about these flags. Okay? I'll give you time, 2 minutes. You should read this text. Оқимыз, иә? Оқимыз, сосын осы флагтар туралы айтуға тырысамыз. Are you ready? Please.
There is ornamental pattern down one side.
There is ornamental pattern one side. Then next.
There is the sun.
There is the sun
of center flag Kazakhstan.
in the center of the flag of Kazakhstan. Okay, and now what can you see else? What can you see? Ornamental pattern, golden sun, and then what is it?
Eagle.
Steep
Eagle.
eagle. Very good. And the next, the flag of United Kingdom. What can you say about this flag? United Kingdom flag. Kingdom. What color is the background of this flag? What color? What color is it?
It has
Background, it is sky blue. Okay. And what kind of the flag? United Kingdom. What is it? Daria?
is a flag of the shape of crosses.
Red crosses and
And the background to
blue background and red, white crosses. Thank you. And next. Next, the flag of Wales. The flag of Wales. Who wants to describe the flag of Wales? What can you see? You please.
The flag of Wales has a red background on it. This background is green and white.
Thank you, very good. Background is green and white. And look at the blackboard, please. This flag,
Canada is
this is the flag of Canada and
United
you know what? United Kingdom and
this is their Australia.
Australia and
USA.
USA.
New Zealand.
This is the flag of New Zealand. These flags, these flags of English-speaking countries. English-speaking countries. Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, USA, New Zealand. Okay. And in your proper books, exercise 2. Open your proper books. Please write down today's date. Please write down. Open your exercise 2. You should, there are given sentences about these flags and you should write true or false. exercise 2. Write down. Write down. Today's date, exercise 2. Look at the blackboard. You may read from your books. First sentence. Who wants to read first sentence? Who wants to read? Comment on fait de bonne. Who wants to read? Close up. Please read the first sentence.
The flag of Kazakhstan has golden
Eagle,
over the golden sword.
golden sun. Is it true or false?
False.
Daria? It's true. Let's check it. Right, it's true. Next sentence. Who wants to read? Boys? Why are you sitting? Well, that is not Please raise your hands. Ali? Please read. There is. Так, ну, ну, слушай, как это? No. The sentence number 2. There is design. There is an ornamental pattern design. This is an ornamental pattern design on two sides. One side and two sides. Is it right? False. Please raise your hands. It's false. Next task, sentence number 3. Who wants to read? Answer on.
The flag of the
United Kingdom.
is more than one flag. It is false.
Let's check.
True.
False.
False.
Next, sentence number 4. Who wants to read? Yukijan, please read this sentence.
Their wife was on the United Guard is called Sun
Is it true or false, Yukijan?
False.
False. Let's check it. True. Next. Aziza?
The flag had a red
Is it right? Red eagle. Samiris?
This is false.
False. Let's check it. False. Red eagle. Eagle degini? How do you translate? Dragon? It's where is our flag? There is a red dragon on the flag of Wales. Not red eagle, it's a red dragon. Okay, next task. Who wants to read? Yeah, please.
The flag of Wales is on our building's liberals. It's true.
True. Let's check it. Well, true. Okay. Very good. And the next task. There is a flags and a name of countries. Name of the countries. That you should match these flags with the name of countries. You should match. Who on the next side, who wants to go? Muhammad, please. Muhammad, please go. Please write and then we will check. Muhammad. Please. Let's check it. Is it right? This, can you tell me, Ali, which flag? Only you tell. You have mentioned. USA, United States of America. Next flag. Feminist.
United Kingdom.
This flag is the United Kingdom. And the next flag? Next flag? Fatima?
This is flag is this is a flag of Australia.
Australia. Okay, next. What is? You please, Name of the country. Canada. It's okay. Next. Which flag? Name. In our
This is a flag of
New Zealand. Okay. And the next, last one. No, welcome. Ramazan.
Kazakhstan.
This is the flag of Kazakhstan. Okay. Now open your photo books. I want to check your exercises. Okay. Now open your books. Page. Open your books, page 29, exercise 3. Exercise 3. Look at these exercises. You should write, describe these flags on the blackboard. What can you see? The flag of Canada, yeah? What can you see in this flag? What can you see in this flag? The flag of Canada. Please describe simple terms. Canadian flag of simple terms. Area?
Is white background.
White background. Then
This is flag. Center is leaf.
there is a leaf in the center. Okay, then red crosses. Yes? There is red crosses. Okay, and then please the flag of USA.
Yes.
What can you see?
There are 50 stars.
50
50 stars.
50 stars. Okay. Then white and red crosses. Okay. Then next flag it is New Zealand.
This is white stars.
White stars and the background. What color is it? Blue background. Okay. And you should write your sentences on your paper books. Okay? Please write down. Did you understand? Түсінікті? Тапсырманы түсінікті? Please write down. You should describe maybe you should describe flags. Which flag do you like? Let's tonight, sir. Regional, just so flag. Maybe you can write about our national flag, or maybe you can write about United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia. Please take one flag and describe it. Please write down, just please. Are you ready, Daria? Please.
This is the flag of Kazakhstan. In the center of flag, the golden and the sun sticky arrow sun, the ornamental pattern, and it has got a sparkling background.
Very good. Daria, you can take one of these flags, English-speaking countries, take one of these flags and you describe it. Please. Келесі біреуін алып жазалım. Are you ready? Ежан.
The flag of flowers has a red button and raspberry, green and white.
Red dragon. Okay. You please.
This is of flag of Canada. The flag red leaf of flag center is background white.
The background is and in the. This is the flag of Canada. The flag. There is. You should use the construction. There is there. There is.
My favorite flag is the USA. There is 50 stars and red and white backgrounds.
There are 50 stars. Very good. Next. You please. Are you ready? Just look. Huh? Just look. Daria. Wait, Madina.
My favorite flag is in Kazakhstan. In Wales.
My favorite flag
Is Wales.
is the flag of
The
Wales.
flag of Wales has a red dragon on it. The background
There is a red dragon.
a dragon on it. The background is red and white.
Very good, thank you. Daria.
The flag of USA. The flag of red and the white person. There are 50 stars.
There are 50 stars and the flag has next. Who wants? Who wants? You quick. Ali, are you ready? Aziza, are you ready? Aziza?
The Union Jack is the flags of the background behind the red cross of Saint Georgia of and then the white flag on a blue bastion for Saint Andre of Scotland and the red cross of Saint Patrick of Ireland.
Good. You describe the flag of United Kingdom. Asman?
The flag of Wales is red, yellow, orange. The background is green, red, white.
Green and white. You should try to use the construction. There is the ra and the have, has. You should. Madina?
My favorite flag is Kazakhstan. There is center of
Flag of Kazakhstan.
of the flag. There is a golden sun.
There is a golden sun. Where? In the center. Then the background. Background is blue. Very good. And next task. You should let's answer to the questions. I will ask questions according to these pictures. You should look at the blackboard and answer to my questions. Understand? Sınıflar, sıra koyalım, cevap verelim. Please raise your hands. Please name this country.
This is the flag of Canada.
Canada, okay. Please describe this flag. Describe, sifatlar diyorum ya, please. What can you see in this picture? Background is blue and the red, white crosses. Okay. Please name the country of this flag. Name the country.
The name is
This is a flag of.
This is a flag of name is Australia.
This is the flag of Australia. Okay. Please describe this flag. Please.
This is a flag of USA.
USA, United Kingdom, or United States of America. Okay. What can you see in this flag? What can you see in this flag? Madina?
There is background and the blue is blue.
Background is blue and there are
Red and white stripes.
stripes and stars.
Stars.
Very good. And our today's aim is we will record the names of the world, flags of the world, and we just read the text. We read the text and write exercises about flags. And now I want to give you a sheet of paper. You should write here what you know and what you want to know, and then what you learned. Okay? You should should write to this sheet of paper. Please write about today's lesson. What you know and what you want to know to the next. Are you ready? Please. I know about flags and what kind of flags, which country's flags you know. New Zealand,
Australia, USA, and Kazakhstan.
very good, thank you. You please.
More about flags.
I know what you.
I know
I know.
about flags.
You know about flags and what you want to know. Ne bilgin keledi? Kelesi sabakta ne bilgin keledi? More about these flags? Very good. Irtijan? Who wants? Madina? I know.
Flags of America and the USA.
USA.
Brown flag is China.
China. Okay. You want to know more about the flag of China. Very good.
I learned this flag, Canada, USA, Kazakhstan, and Ireland.
You have learned about these flags. Very good. Next, who wants? Irtijan?
I know flags. Why about
You want to know you want to know about the flag of
Canada, USA, Kazakhstan,
Wales. United Kingdom. Next, are you ready? Aziza? You know more about flags. Flags of which countries? Which countries?
Canada, Kazakhstan, United
Kingdom, USA,
USA,
Australia, and New Zealand. Very good. And I want to mark, and I want to give you beautiful smiles for your today's lesson. I want to give one to Tanis and Madina, very good, Ansara, very good, Daria, very good, Irkejan and Aziz. This smile is very good. I put you 10 points. And these smiles I want to give Ali, you, Inabad, and your place. Okay. Your home task. Please open your diaries and write your home task. Your home task, you should find more information about other flags of other countries around the world. Different kinds of, maybe you like it, the design, maybe you like it, colors. You should write more information about these flags. İnternette қарап, өзіңнен елдің flag туралы интернетте мәлімет жазып келеміз. And maybe you can draw this flag and you will present these flags on the blackboard. It's your home task. And find other flags from, please write down to your diaries, make a poster with some information about them. And also you should read these texts which we have read today's text and new words. You should copy or rewrite these new words for your copy books. Today's new words was design, golden sun, bean, steep eagle. I see you know these words, and you should copy out these words from your dictionary books and do these tasks. Your home task, learn new words, find information from the internet, and draw the flags which you like it, and then write some information about them. Are you ready? Stand up. The lesson is over. Goodbye.